Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a turkey donut. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute little turkey donut, let's begin by drawing a circle. Now I'm just going to trace something circular, but if you don't have anything circular, you can just draw your own circle. So I'm just going to begin, and I'm just going to draw a nice circle using my donut, or my little shape, for my donuts. We're just going to draw this nice circle right around here. Next, in the middle here, let's begin by making a circle shape for the center of our donut. So I'm just going to draw a little circle shape right in the middle. Now, right across the bottom, let's make the frosting. So I'm just going to begin by drawing a little bit of like a wavy line right across here. Now let's make the beak. Starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up in a V shape. Then we're just going to bring a line across to connect it. I'm going to color in a black dot for the eye, and then we'll do another black dot over here for a different eye. Next, right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve around, and then we're just going to bring this up here for the little gobble. Next, let's make some little wings. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve out and up, and then down and up for a wing. And then same thing here, we're just going to go down and up, down and up, down and up for a little wing. Next, let's make the feathers. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve up and down. And then I'm just going to keep repeating this. I'm going to go up and down. Then we're going to go up and down, and we'll just end it like that. Then I'm just going to make a little curve right in the middle of each one. So I'm just going to make a little curve right in the middle of each feather. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cute little turkey donut. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.